Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to create folder on Mac. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! When you are just starting out on a new Mac with its huge storage and untouched desktop, it feels like the sky's the limit and you can let screenshot pile up on the desktop, download in your downloads folder, and leave your document folder empty. But as days, weeks, and months go by, you start to drown in files, dozen and dozen of files. So this is when a little bit of organization can be a lifesaver for your productivity. So if you want to venture anywhere beyond your desktop or specific app, Finder is the tool to use. So what if you want to create folder on your MacBook? It's very simple. First of all, if you want to create folder on your desktop, it's very simple. You can just click right on your desktop screen and you'll find there is an option new folder. You can just select on that. So you have create new folder on your desktop. If you want to rename it, you can just click right on the folder, select on rename, and you can rename the folder. And if you want to create new folder on your Finder, you can just open your Finder and you can just select where you want to create the folder in on desktop or documents. Maybe on documents you can just click right on the document, select a new folder. So now you have create new folders on your document files. It's very simple, right? So that is how to create new folder on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.